All right. What's up, everyone? It is three live streams in a row now in the last like 2 days. This one should be a pretty fun one. Let me just do some housekeeping real quick. Make sure the volume is good. If you are tuning in, let me know in the comments below. Okay, the audio is good. So let's go ahead and play some music and then we'll just jump into it right from there. Okay, music is going. Cool beans. Okay, so real quick, I want to share a little bit about something I am working on. Yesterday, after finishing the Smart on Fire app, I got really excited about building some other things, and I decided to rebuild the job board that I had on OpenClinTech using Next.js. And I had probably the most fun I've had in quite some time. I still hate front-end development, but it is absolutely amazing what you can build with Next.js. This one took a lot longer. It was probably like a total of 12 straight hours. And it is very close to being deployed. I actually have it deployed. I can show you it. But I'm running into some issues with OAuth, so I'm not going to show you this demo in the production environment. But the dev environment already is working pretty nice. There's just some hiccups I'm exploring with the production environment. Anyways, what I'm going to show is a pretty cool app, which is a job board that you can use to find health tech jobs. And to orient, let me start sharing my screen. Love feedback from you guys in terms of, whoops, that's not what I want to share. I want to actually share this one. What I actually want would be feedback from you guys, because this job board is going to be built for you all. It's going to be a free job board. You can browse, no different than the one I currently have. And if you're not familiar with the one I have, it is on OpenClinTech, openclintech.com. You go to jobs, and it's a super simple job board. It's built with Streamlit, so I didn't really do any front end with it. It's just easy deployment, and it's very bare bones. I probably built this in like 2 hours. And the whole idea behind the job board was to give people an idea of what jobs were available if you're looking for healthcare or technology adjacent roles. And so if you look at the titles, they're very different. And again, to give you an idea of what those are. So other things I added to it is quickly filtering on salary. So you can quickly look at the jobs that would have a particular pay, and you can quickly apply to them down here. So it was meant to be a very quick and dirty way of helping you find different jobs. The thing is, it's been bothering me. It's not that pretty, and it's not really like a production grade web app, if you will. And there's lots of other issues. Just like it's not stored in a database. I manually manage this through a CSV file, and it's not great. So I rebuilt this whole thing in Next.js, and I absolutely love it. Let me show you that app now. And again, I will love any feedback that you guys have with this. Actually, let me make sure this is showing. Okay, I think this is showing. Okay, looks good. All right, so to orient you to the job app, now it's built with OAuth. So it's Google OAuth. You can sign in here. I'm going to sign in with my account. And when you sign in, it's going to take you to a dashboard. And I mean, this already looks so much better. And so this dashboard has the jobs listed over here on the left-hand side. It's all dynamic. So whenever you click on this, it will show the job details on the right. You have your title, you have the company, the city, the salary, the industry, the location type. So there's like remote, in-person, hybrid, a description, and then a link to apply. So if you want to apply to this job, if you click here, it'll take you directly to the job at Google. So let me go back here. It's pretty fun of an experience because this part here, which is the user interface, I probably spent an hour on. What I spent most of my time on was actually building the admin side. So you guys wouldn't see this, but the admin side is a lot more and a more enjoyable experience for myself when I'm managing these jobs. because I can manage things like companies, manage your different industries. So I can just like edit these. Or I can go back and I can add a new industry, example industry. Comes right here. You can go ahead and delete it because I don't want that one. It's pretty slick. And then I can add different jobs. So I can add different jobs just like this. And there's like a lot of validation that I added in. So like different states. I can add the different industries. I can add the specific companies. And these companies are only the companies that exist in the database. It's a really fun experience of managing jobs in health tech. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you guys what one of these look like. But actually, let me show you this first. So all of these work up here, and they're pretty easy to add. So they're pretty dynamic. So if I wanted to search for jobs from Apple, as you type, it automatically filters it. You can also search by title. So you can do that. Same thing with companies. Press the companies, and it'll only show you the jobs from those companies. And the salary range as well. So if you wanted jobs only over 150, over 200, actually, man, these are all over 200. Yeah, these also search by max salary. And so if I search this one, there's only one that's over 250 in the max salary. So pretty slick. Like I really enjoyed the interface a lot. But again, the fun is actually in the admin. So I'm going to show you guys how I am going to use this to add new jobs and curate new jobs for all of you. So you can browse and figure out what those are. Again, this is free for all users. It's not live yet, but this is what I'm going to use maybe in the next week or so to deploy a new job board for everyone to use. Let me give you a demo of how to add new stuff to it. So adding new company, let's go ahead and add a new company. And let's see, I want to add, what's a fun one to add, like a tech company. Let us add Apple. Let's do maybe Microsoft. Well, actually, no, NVIDIA should be fun. Let's do NVIDIA. So let me go ahead and add NVIDIA, and then I'm just going to copy the description over from Wikipedia. Company size. I'm going to grab company size from LinkedIn. Let's see, they are 10,000 plus. Headquarters in Santa Clara, California. Their main website. I put another link for open roles. So let's see. Where is their open roles? Here we go. And hopefully this just makes it all easier for all of you guys to apply in the future. So I'm just going to put this as a tech company. And there we go. Now I have a brand new company added. Go back to admin, can manage jobs. I can go ahead and add a new job. Let's go and find an actual job in NVIDIA. Let's see, I'm on their website. They always have some interesting healthcare ones. So let's find this here. Let's use, yeah, this one looks interesting. Solutions architect. Okay, let's add that as a job. I'm gonna copy this over here. Just gonna copy everything over. Solutions architect. NVIDIA as the job. This location is, oh, this one's in Shanghai. I don't actually want that. Let me find another one actually. United States. What's an interesting job at United States? Yeah, let's do a product marketing manager instead. Okay. I'm trying to make this as real as possible. So here we go. It's the video. This one is in Santa Clara, California. They have a salary range. Yes, they do. I love the fact that everyone's publishing their salary ranges nowadays. That's some nice salary right there. This one I assume is full-time. I should know the city. In person, state. So declare apply URL. Okay, and then this is tech. Submit. There you go. And that's not too bad. Like, this is a much more good experience for me because I was adding these manually to a CSV file, like I said, and just manually uploading it to GitHub. So it was terrible an experience. Now I would just do a manual import every single time. But now, so I got that added, and now it's here. Again, all of these work. And what happens, by the way, this here to the right, this is a details component, and it automatically will default to whatever is the first one after your filter. So it's all dynamic. So let's say I filter this to health. This one is the first one, so this automatically populates. As I type it, this automatically populates. So it's super slick. But it's a pretty fun experience. Let me know if you guys have any feedback. I'd love to hear it. Let's see. And I would love to build it in. I'm probably gonna take another 2 weeks to actually get this deployed to production. Let's see. Oh, we have a couple people on messages. What is this? Pharmacist CEO, founder. This looks like an ad. Okay, thanks for the comment. Industries. Very cool. And then Michael says, nice project. Thanks. Appreciate it. Okay. So I think that's pretty much the end of the demo. I can actually show you the deployed app, which you can all access right now. It's actually in here. The problem is it's erroring out on me, and it's really annoying. So some things work, some things don't, but I need to figure out why it doesn't work. Anyways, it's probably gonna take another 2 weeks, just because I have other things going on, and I'll get this working in production and then deploy it, and then you guys can all give it a test run. But even until then, let me know what you guys think about this. What else you'd like to add? I'd love to layer in some LLMs on top of this, and even add in other things that will connect you to courses or upskilling opportunities, or just things to watch based on these jobs. So I want to make this job board much more catered to you. That's why I have the OAuth piece in there. So based on your current skill sets and based on the jobs you're interested in, it'll actually show you what are their gaps. Let's say if you wanted to apply to this internal medicine position, it will look at what you have in your profile in terms of gaps, and then compare it to what's over here, and then give you recommendations and ideas on how you can enhance yourself to make you be competitive for this role. Anyways, that's the end of the demo. Love to hear what you guys think. All right, thanks everyone. I'll talk to you.